Alright guys, it's been a while, so this is 1 minute remaining. 1 minute. Then it's going to start doing its thing. This is unboxing part 2 because you already saw part 1. You know what I did in that part 1. Now this is part 2. 1 minute remaining. Alright, so let's see how this goes. Like, how is it going to load? It's taken a while. I mean, that's what it does, obviously. 98, 99, 100. Software download update data is complete. Nice. So this is how it starts, see? Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give them a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing with me. And don't forget to hit that thumbs like button if you enjoyed this video. I mean, if you already seen this video. Comment and hashtag if you want to. And subscribe to the SpongeBob SquarePants Nickelodeon universe. Peace out.